Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm back in the kitchen. Some more cooking coming your way. Always thanks again for the support on the previous videos. My subscriber count, we're getting so close now to that 1500 mark. So keep doing what you're doing, guys. Keep smashing that subscribe button. Keep hitting them like buttons, notification bells, ping, ping, ping. Get all that done. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So today, my parcel from HelloFresh has turned up. I've ordered there's 3 meals. It's a great value for money. I really highly recommend it. Not a paid promotion, but I really recommend going and checking it out. I'll leave a link down below. HelloFresh, if you're out there, you're watching, hit me up. I'll work with you. But now, guys, on a serious note, we're going to cook today. Quick, creamy prawn rigatoni. That's what it should look like. And you get these recipe cards, one for each meal that comes in your box. It's got everything you need on there, the complete list of ingredients you'll need, which they send you. You just need salt, pepper, a little bit of oil, something to cook it in, a cooker, you know. On the back you have the nutritional information, the ingredients, all that good stuff, and then a basic recipe. That's what we're going to follow today. So we'll get back on the pan and we're about to boil up some pasta. Let's go. And as always, guys, step one, always step one. So this is everything that comes with the meal. You get your king prawns. There's 1 lemon zested, and that's the rest of the lemon there, cut into halves. There's some chopped garlic, some roughly chopped coriander, courgette, some dried pasta. There we are. Creme fraiche. The recipe card. You need like a couple of extra things: a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, a beer, of course. So boil the kettle first things, and you boil your pasta. So there we have the dried pasta. It's in some boiling water and a couple of tablespoons of salt. Going to boil that for 12 minutes till it's nice and soft. Going to put it through a colander, drain all the water off, add a little bit of oil over the top of it, stop it sticking together, and we'll set it to one side while we prepare the courgettes. So the courgettes are going to go into a nice hot pan with no oil. You slice the courgette in half lengthways and then chop it into little half moon shaped pieces. They are going to go into a pan, like I said, with no oil, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they start to brown. Once they've done that, you add the garlic, and you give it a little stir and cook for another minute. So let's, that should be hot enough now. We're going to add the courgette. Let's dump them in there. I feel that is probably a little bit too much, so I'm just going to remove a little bit. Okay, that's the courgette in. Fry them off, and we'll come back when they are nice and golden brown. Okay, so they've been cooking now 3 to 4 minutes. First of all, apologise about any background noise you might have. My neighbours very kindly decided now is a good time to mow his grass, so thanks for that. So there, lovely bit of colour on them there, they're looking good. It's time to add the garlic. Add the garlic to this now. Finely chopped. It says 1 clove of garlic, but I've used 3 because I do like a bit of garlic. So garlic's in, let's give that a good stir around. I'm just trying to turn over some of the courgettes that are still a bit pale on one side, so I'm just trying to get them down onto the heat. Nice, okay, so next step is going to be, let's follow the recipe. Add garlic and cook, stirring for 1 minute. So I need to continue stirring so the garlic doesn't stick to the pan and make a big burnt mess. So we'll continue to do that for a little bit longer. So once this is done, I need to reduce the heat, add the creme fraiche, and it says, according to the ingredients, you need 100 ml of cold water to add to make the sauce as well. So we'll get that prepared now. I'm not sure if I was a fan of courgettes, but these are actually looking amazing. Right, so we'll get the water prepared and the creme fraiche, and then we'll come back once we're ready to put that in. Okay. Okay, so it's time to add the creme fraiche. It comes in a lovely HelloFresh packet, all authentic HelloFresh stuff. So we're going to dump that in. Get all of that in there. Lovely stuff. And then add the 100 ml of cold water. There we go, that's going in. And we'll stir that all together. So it'll come together nicely. Should make a nice creamy sauce. There's also some stock to add, so it's not just going to be creme fraiche and water, don't worry. So that's coming together, nice. At this moment I am just going to add some salt and pepper just for a little bit of seasoning. So just some black peppercorns, I'll grind some of them into there. And then just a bit of salt. Always, always season your food. I hate bland food. Nothing worse. Right, so that's in. I think it will be the vegetable stock next. I'll just check in with the instructions to make sure. And vegetable stock paste is going to be added to the pan. This comes in a little green sachet with a little carrot on there. So we'll pour the contents of this stock paste. See, it's a small amount, but I think it's highly concentrated. So that should turn the colour a little bit of a light brown. And then it's going to be time to add the prawns. The pasta is just to the left of me, boiling away nicely. It'll be time to drain that very soon. That's looking pretty tasty. Right, so what's next? So we need to bring that to a simmer and cook until the sauce is thickened, so about 3 to 4 minutes. Right, so as soon as that has simmered for 3 to 4 minutes and it's thickened up a little bit, it'll be time to add the prawns. We'll come back to you then. Okay, so the sauce has now simmered for, I think I'll give it about 5 minutes in the end. It's thickened up nicely. The pasta is set aside to the left now. That's been drained and there's some olive oil drizzled over the top of it. And now we're going to add the prawns. And thankfully the prawns that you get with HelloFresh, they come de-veined and peeled, so they're ready to just go straight in your dish. So we're going to add them in now. Some good king prawns. Lovely stuff. So we mix them in. And then we'll have a little look at the instructions and see what is next. The prawns are cooked when pink on the outside and opaque in the middle. That's how you know. Add a splash of water if the sauce is a bit thick, and then meanwhile mix together the lemon zest and the remaining parsley into a small bowl. So give that a little stir right now. Nice pink colour coming on these prawns, as you can see. A few minutes left of that, and then it'll be time to plate up. Okay, so that's been simmering now for a good 4 minutes. I've read back through the instructions and it's not me going completely off the rails. I was looking at the pictures and I was thinking step 4 looks like there's some bits of green in this dish, and at no point has it told me to put any of the coriander, the parsley in there. And then at step 5 it says put the remainder of, I'm like, remainder of the parsley? What do you mean remainder? I've not used it yet. So I've took my own initiative and I've put some parsley into the dish. Now next step is to add the pasta. I don't know if it's a little misprint, but that's what's happened. So add the pasta to the dish. I'll stir that all together. I mean, this is supposed to be a rigatoni, but I've gone for the penne pasta. I just prefer penne, and I know it comes with a packet of rigatoni, but I will use that for something else. I just like penne pasta. Same taste, just a different shape, right? So let that all come together nicely, and then we're going to serve this up and garnish it. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm plating up, and then we'll go and enjoy this meal. So there we have it, that is plated up. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice for taste. Finally, finish it off with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then the remainder of the parsley with the lemon zest, just going to sprinkle that on top. And there we have, instead of creamy prawn rigatoni, it's creamy prawn penne pasta. So don't forget to hit that like button if you've not already, subscribe if you're not already, and that post notification bell, turn that on, and then you'll be able to keep up with all the other uploads that I do. So more cooking coming very soon. Thanks for watching guys, I'll catch you in the next one.